Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to Building on WordPress. This is going to be a quick video that takes a look at a nifty little feature that now allows you to reconnect missing components. So let's take a look at how this would work. First and foremost, let's dive into our components document here within Cornerstone. And if you know anything about components, these are basically globals that you can use throughout your website. So you'll notice we have a custom button here called our primary button, and this is built out with various parameters and all of that fun stuff. But instead of needing to duplicate and design this on a case-by-case basis, we are able to use one global element here. We have a primary button outline, a primary button modal that opens up a modal, etc. So we've taken this and we've built out a design on our homepage. So we have a 50-50 split with an image on the left and some content on the right. And here is our button right down here. So when we look at this on the front end, let's go ahead and save and jump out to the front end. Everything looks nice and neat. But what happens if this button is deleted? Well, before the latest update, if you were to come in here and go into our component document here, and we're currently using this primary button here. So if I delete that and I save, and then we jump back over to my home document here, you're going to notice that there is no longer a component for this to reference. And up until now, if you were to then click on this, there's really nothing you could do here. So if you had just deleted that component and now we have this broken component on our page design here, you would have to delete this component element altogether and add a new one in. But in the latest version of Cornerstone, you are able to do this all within the existing component element. Let's take a look at how that works. First, what we need to do is update to the latest. So we're going to jump into the back end here, and we'll go ahead and update Pro to the latest version. Now, you do need to be on version 6.5.9 or later for this to work, but once that is updated, let's go ahead and refresh Cornerstone here. And with Cornerstone refreshed, you'll notice that we do still have our broken component, and that is because this component is trying to reference something that no longer exists. But the great news is, in the latest version, we can now click on this component here, and you'll notice on the left-hand side, it says the component could not be resolved, but we can then choose a valid component here that we want to reconnect this to. So let's come down to our primary button outline instead, and we'll go ahead and reconnect it to that. And there you go. It's as easy as that. This has now been updated and reconnected without needing to drag in new elements or do any of that fun stuff. As always, I hope you guys find these videos useful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.